everyone. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Megs. If you're not new, welcome back. For some reason, I got invited to a country concert. I don't do country. But we're gonna start packing, so. I'm scared of it. Sweatpants.
She probably won't be there though.
Hello! We're here! Wait, let me see the tickets. Let me see the tickets. Look at this. Let's see.
Copyright.
Yeah. Ooh.
It's official. I wanted them printed off because you never know. I like to keep that kind of stuff. Yeah, buddy. I would have paid to go see Taylor Swift, but she was too much money.
Okay, I'll say it then.
You already know, you already know. Mall time. Time to spend all of our money.
I'm in debt.
Ooh, holding it. Wow, this is nice. It doesn't fit. I bet you they do that on purpose. I don't have my hat on, but you'll see it, don't worry. I'm wearing a little belt.
Outfit of the day?
Outfit of the day. I have a button up underneath this to take off. This is my makeup. Okay, let's try and fix this.
I need help. Look at this is not working out for me. I look pregnant with a baby from all these chins.
Okay, covers it. Yeah. Look at us, we're like little twins.
Going down, down in the elevator party, elevator party.
Ooh. Ooh.
Cool.
Damn. Damn. We look so cute.
I'm pissed at my hair. Like, look at this.
Why? Oh.
Yummy.
Yum. Yum, yum. Of course. Look at that. Wow. Hey. 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 I'm sitting here with my pants unbuckled. Drink in my hand. She's drinking pop or something. Okay, I'm doing an outfit change because it's actually getting a lot colder out. So this is actually Monique's jacket. It doesn't really match my hat, but I'm vlogging. I'm using this random ass, my lip liner's Kylie Jenner, and this random ass gloss that Monique actually bought me for Christmas. It's like an Ulta Beauty one.
I'm just in the background itching the fuck out of my nose.
Then I use a Clinique berry color like lipstick. This is a weird combo, but it just looks the best. I'm already kind of tipsy. They almost took my camera. They were gonna take my camera.
But they didn't. Here we are. What? Fish in it.
She's okay. She's okay. Okay, so I'm really drunk right now, but we just met this random girl and I love her and she's the best.
Cheers. We got this beer from a girl.
We're literally just, yeah, okay.
I met Lee Brice tonight. It was great.
But like not as intimate as she thought.
I didn't think it was as
She
intimate.
thought it was gonna be more, but he really was giving less.
Yeah.
He was giving less than, you know.
Change that paper towel.
How old are you? 2000 babies.
2000 babies.
Okay, hold on.
Yay!
So lucky to be able to wake up in the morning and breathe air and about a lot of things that some people protect our hearts and our souls and our bodies and they serve us. And they don't ask for thank yous.
Good morning, London. We're actually not hungover. Slay, which is really, really nice.
It's mopio.
It really is. Oh, parkour. Okay, I've been home. Kiwi! So I got home yesterday around like 2. Was really tired, kind of just chilled, did laundry. And now I have to go run out. 1, pay my rent. 2, pay my taxes. Oh my goodness. Are you going crazy? Yeah. I think I've worn this outfit like in my books so many times. But like I just love this Lululemon kind of button-up thing. Oh, also, I didn't show you guys what I bought when we were in London. I really didn't buy a lot. But we literally just went to the Forever 21. They just had more than what we did. I bought this hair clip. It's like a butterfly hair clip. It was buy one, get one for $1. So I got 2 of them. So I got this one and a blue, or no, this one and a purple one. Like a tank top bodysuit and like a no sleeveless bodysuit. It's like a gray color. It's really pretty. I got this green tank top, which we were at Aritzia, which we don't have an Aritzia here, but they have one in London. Kiwi, I know. We went to the Aritzia and I saw this really nice like green color sweater. Almost bought it, but it was $70. It was very cute though. But then we went to Forever 21. I found a tank top in the same exact color and it was only $7, so I bought it. And then I also just bought like a plain white tank top because the summer's coming and that's always like good to have. So I really didn't buy a lot. I spent more money on beers at the concert. Okay, so I have this.